In studio with us today is Jack Wires. He is an attorney and the owner of Family and Elder Law of Mid-Michigan. Jack, welcome to The Blend once again.
Good to see you again, Deb.
Talk about what you and your team are busy with this summer work-wise.
We've had a little shift in our business this summer. We used to spend about 70% of our time doing estate planning, doing wills, trusts, those kind of powers of attorney, those kind of documents. And now we're about 50-50 doing Medicaid applications, long-term care benefits from Medicaid, and specifically home and community-based services programs, the My Choice Waiver program and the PACE program, which is the program for all-inclusive care for the elderly. In town we know it as the Senior Community Cares. You may see the vans running around town.
Sure.
So we've been spending just a whole lot of time doing those things.
Yeah, that's a big shift for you. So why do you think there's been such an uptick in applications for the home and community-based services?
Well, as I talked a little bit about last month, the more and more people, I think, are reluctant to go to a facility to be cared for, and these home and community-based service programs allow you to be cared somewhere other than the nursing home. So more and more people are interested in having care at home or independent living or in a least restrictive environment, and these are programs that are offered through the Medicaid, the federal Medicaid program, that offer benefits to folks at home and in those facilities. So more and more people seem interested in those type of programs as opposed to going to the nursing home. And I just think as the population ages, there's more and more people that have those needs.
Yeah. Well, how do you find out more about the programs and how you qualify and what age and what level of mobility, health, all those things?
So we do a workshop. We have it actually a virtual workshop that you can watch. We schedule that once a month. We have on-demand workshops, and we're hoping to do an in-person workshop in September. Out at the Ingham County facility on Dobie Road, called Nuts and Bolts of Medicaid, where we educate folks, because there are some very strict guidelines and asset and income requirements, those type of things. But we have some kind of creative ways to work for those rules, work with those rules to get people qualified. For the home and community-based service programs, the one kind of hard line test, or bright line test we call it, is that the applicant's income can't exceed $2,382 a month in 2021. But for anyone who's under that limit, they can qualify. And if you're a couple, it's just the applicant's income. It's not both spouses together. So but we educate folks and kind of walk them through the process and help them to start planning now for that eventuality.
Right. So much to sort through. Get the experts to help you do it instead of trying to do it yourself. Trust me. Family and Elder Law of Mid-Michigan. Always a pleasure to see you, Jack.
Great seeing you too, Deb.